What if a giant asteroid hit Earth in 2024? What would happen? Here is what you need to know about the ultimate disaster and chaos that could hit our planet. But first, if you agree this is a terrifying thought, let me know by quickly hitting like and subscribe. Imagine a massive rock hurtling through space, on a collision course with Earth. It's a scenario that has terrified scientists and the public alike for decades. An asteroid slamming into Earth isn't just science fiction, it's a real threat that has happened before and could happen again. The dinosaurs, for example, were wiped out by such an event 65 million years ago. Scientists estimate that there are millions of asteroids in our solar system, and while most are harmless, some could pose a significant danger to our planet. A large asteroid, say 10 kilometers wide, could cause devastation on a global scale. The energy released upon impact would be equivalent to billions of tons of TNT, far surpassing the power of any nuclear bomb ever detonated. First, the impact site would turn into a fiery crater, vaporizing everything in its path. The immediate area would be obliterated, leaving behind a massive, smoldering hole in the ground. The shockwaves would send tsunamis across oceans and earthquakes rippling through continents. Coastal cities would be inundated by towering waves, and buildings would crumble under the seismic activity. The devastation wouldn't stop there. Fires would rage across the landscape, ignited by the intense heat of the impact. But that's just the start. The aftermath of such an event would be felt worldwide. The collision would eject massive amounts of dust and debris into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight. This debris would spread around the globe, creating a thick, dark cloud that would obscure the sun for months or even years. This would cause an eternal winter, resulting in temperatures plummeting, leading to crop failures and food shortages worldwide. Without sunlight, photosynthesis would halt, and plants would wither and die. The loss of crops would lead to a cascade of food shortages affecting not just humans, but all life forms that depend on plants for sustenance. And then, there's the long-term effect. The consequences of an asteroid impact would be felt for generations. The dust and aerosols caused by the impact would linger, disrupting weather patterns and causing acid rain. This toxic precipitation would further harm the environment, poisoning water sources and soil. Plants and animals would struggle to survive, potentially leading to mass extinctions. The delicate balance of ecosystems would be thrown into complete chaos. This loss of biodiversity would have profound implications for the future of life on Earth. But don't panic just yet. While the threat is real, we are not helpless. NASA and other space agencies are constantly monitoring the skies for potential threats. They use advanced telescopes and radar systems to track the movements of asteroids and predict their trajectories. With advanced technology, we can track and even deflect dangerous asteroids before they reach Earth. Various methods are being researched, including use of spacecraft to nudge asteroids off course or deploying nuclear devices to break them apart. So, while the idea of an asteroid impact is terrifying, it's important to remember that science and technology is our best defense. Stay curious and keep looking up. The universe is full of wonders and dangers. Subscribe and don't miss future scientific discoveries that will impress all science enthusiasts.